Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Pico W lessons and we're up to lesson number 31. So this is just a very quick program to show that you needn't actually put in any parameters for getting the weather report. You can just do it on your current location. So I'm actually using 3 APIs because 3 is much better than 1. And the first one up here, on line 7, is just getting the IP address of where I am, the IP address that I'm using that API, and then I'm using a geolocation API, which means it will get my location using my IP address, and then I'm taking the latitude and longitude out from that request, and I'm putting it into the weather API, and we'll just run it to see what happens. Right, well, I am in the Corrèze, which is lucky, and it is about 8:30 at night, and that is how the weather is. But can we be sure that it would work somewhere else? So what I have done, I've got a program here that connects to Wi-Fi according to the list, and the first one it will go for is a VPN. So when I run that, it should connect me to the VPN. So if I run that, it will probably go wrong because I haven't disconnected or unplugged. It will go wrong the first time. That will just hang. So if I stop that and then run it again, yeah, I'm connected. Right, we'll go back into the weather program, and I will comment out import decode, because that automatically connects me to my normal Wi-Fi, and if I run it again, we'll see what happens. Hello. Oh, right, Glasgow. Now the VPN server that I'm connected to actually is in Glasgow, which is lucky. So there's my program. Very quick one to say that you can do it without putting any parameters in.